Do you want to know how to buy and sell Bitcoin easily and also get a tip to how you can earn automatically when doing this? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have quite a lot of different videos about crypto and also quite a lot of content about free ways to earn crypto. And a lot of people have asked me what the easiest way is to buy and sell Bitcoin and other crypto. And it is super easy no matter your experience. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to do this step by step. So I will use a platform called Crypto.com. It is an app. I will log in a minute and show you exactly how to do this. And the reason I use this is because it's really great for beginners. It's very user-friendly and it also has a feature that makes it possible to earn when you're buying or selling crypto automatically. So you just have to set it up and then you have a better chance of actually making profit. I will show you exactly how to do this. And also if you decide to join Crypto.com, if you're not already a member, they do have a $25 joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. I'll leave mine in the description below so you can do that if you decide to do that after watching this video. But let me log in and then show you just how easy it is. So I have now logged into Crypto.com and this is not a full tutorial of all its features. I also have that here on my channel. I will leave a link in the top corner and also to a playlist I have about different tutorials of Crypto.com. I'll leave that in the link below so you can check that in the description. But anyways, this is to show you how easily you can buy and sell Bitcoin. So you just log in and then you're on the dashboard where you just get the current rates of the crypto. But the easiest way is then to just see these here, buy and sell. So if you want to buy, you just basically press the buy button there and you choose the crypto you want to buy. Crypto.com has a lot of different cryptocurrencies listed, but in this case we'll focus on Bitcoin. So we'll click here and then you can see you just choose here how many Bitcoin, or you don't have to buy full Bitcoin or anything like that. You can see you can even buy 0.01 or even less if you want to. If you want to see it in dollars, you can also do it like this and then you just basically choose. You see, I could choose like I want to buy for $100 Bitcoin or even $10 of Bitcoin. You can do that and then you would need to choose, that you can use a fiat wallet. So that is if you have connected your bank account and uploaded money from your bank account into Crypto.com. So you just have money ready there to buy, or you can also use Google Pay if you have that, or if you have other cryptos, you can choose that, or you can also buy with a credit or debit card if you want to. So it has a lot of different options that makes it easy. But basically, this is all I need to do. I just click here, buy. So in this case, I can also just show you how to do it. Then I will buy 10. I'll choose my wallet there and you see 10 euros. It then changes to the currency because I use my fiat wallet and I just need to click buy and you see then I just need to click confirm here and then I will have done that when I just scan my fingerprint here and you can see then I have bought Bitcoin. That's how easy it is, and it's the exact same thing when you want to sell it. So I would just choose it, Bitcoin here or whatever other I want to do, and then I can choose what I want to sell and where I want to get it into my wallet there, or a Visa card. Also I have a Visa, Crypto.com Visa card that can be used to actually spend your crypto. I also have more information about that. I'll leave a link in the top corner about the Visa card there. But the thing that I mentioned about this is just to buy and sell when you want to do it here and now. And that's where you see, like, for example, market order or one-time order when you buy there. And this is really great. But that also means that if you're doing this to make money with it, of course, if you're planning to buy Bitcoin to hold it like for years, then that's fine. But maybe you're also buying other cryptos to get a profit faster and things like that. Then the great thing is that they have this super easy feature where I click here and instead of market order, I can choose target price. And then I can choose, for example, again, Bitcoin. And then I can say, if it reaches a certain level, like plus 10% or 15% or 5% or a certain value, and then it will automatically sell. And this is really cool because that means that I don't have to sit and keep an eye on it. I can just, if you want to buy for $100 of whatever crypto or Bitcoin, you buy it when you think it's the right time. And then you can just go in and say, like, when it reaches this level, 10% up, I'll sell it. And then, if it happens in the middle of the night, it automatically sells. And then the next morning when you check, you've earned. And it's the same when you actually want to buy, because you might also think like, well, you think that Bitcoin or any other crypto, it might go down a little bit. So you can also, instead of one-time buy, you can also here say target price. So again, when it reaches a certain price, you say like, if it reaches that, I'll just buy for $100, $1,000, whatever you want, $10. So if you think like, okay, if Bitcoin reaches this level, this is a very good price, I want to buy for $1,000 or so, then you just set it and forget it. It will do it automatically, so you don't have to keep an eye on it. And sometimes it can happen like overnight, it can go down and up a lot, crypto, so you can't keep an eye on it all the time, and you might miss a huge chance there, a huge spike, and then it will sell, or a huge dip, and then you will buy. And this is a really cool feature that Crypto.com has made very easily accessible, so it's something that anyone can do. And that's why, whether you just want to buy crypto to hold it long term, or if you want to buy it and sell it for a profit as soon as possible, I think that Crypto.com is definitely one of the easiest platforms to do this, in my opinion. So as you can see, it is super easy to both buy and sell Bitcoin or other cryptos. And then when you, for example, have cash in your Crypto.com app, then it's super easy to take it out to your bank if you want to. I also have a video about how to then transfer it into your bank. I'll leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out. So if that's what you prefer, you can do that, or you can use the Visa card to spend the crypto, or whatever you want. That is, of course, up to you. But so many people have asked me what the easiest way to buy and sell Bitcoin or other cryptos, and this is definitely a super easy way to do that. It basically just takes a few clicks once you have the app set up. And as mentioned earlier also, Crypto.com has a special joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. I will leave mine below so you can go and join it through that and get that bonus if you decide to. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.